Ever wanted to listen to your music with a side of adrenaline? These headphones are crafted from bike chains, because why not? Music that's tough as nails. Why play piano when you can build music? With Lego keys, your tunes just got a whole lot more colourful. Wine and wheels. Now that's a pairing we didn't see coming. This wine rack rolls out serious style, and we mean that literally. Take a seat and indulge. This donut won't add any calories, but it will satisfy your cravings for comfort. Let it rain. No umbrellas needed. This lamp doesn't just light your room, it sprinkles a little wonder with every glow. Who needs boring old shelves when you can have a skateboard take your books for a ride? This one's always hanging 10, even when it's standing still. Dinner's over, but the cutlery is still shining bright. This chandelier forks over some serious elegance with a playful twist. Times are spinning, and it's taking you back to the days of mixtapes and nostalgia. Ready to rewind the hours? Water your plants with light. This lamp turns every corner into a Zen garden, one glowing drop at a time. Time for dinner? You'll never forget to eat again with this utensil clock ticking away in style. Roll into your reading list with this skateboard bookshelf. Your books will feel the thrill of the ride, even while sitting still. Surf's up in your living room. Let these surfboard blades cool you down while amping up your space with coastal coolness. Need to make a point? Have a seat on this pencil chair, where every seating arrangement is a new doodle in progress.